This is a review of the appendicular skeleton. We are going to start with the clavicle. We have the sternal end, the acromial end. Then we move to the scapula. We have the coracoid process, the subscapular fossa, the glenoid cavity, the spine, the acromion, the supraspinosus fossa, the infraspinosa fossa, the sternoclavicular joint, and the acromoclavicular joint. Then down on the humerus, we have the humeral head. We have the greater tubercle, the lesser tubercle, the deltoid tuberosity. We have the medial epicondyle, lateral epicondyle, the coronoid fossa, which takes in the radial fossa, the capitellum, which articulates with the radius, the trochlea, which articulates with the ulna, and the olecranon fossa. Down on the forearm, we have the ulna, the radius, we have the olecranon, we have the coronoid process and the styloid process. Then on the radius, we have the radial head, we have the radial tuberosity, and we have the styloid process. Down on the carpus, the hand, starting out, we have the hamate, capitate, we have the trapezoid, trapezium, then distally the scaphoid, the lunate, triquetrum, and then the pisiform, the metacarpals, and then distally we have the phalanges. Going down to the coxal bones, we have the acetabulum, the pubic symphysis, the obturator forum, which is back here, the iliac crest, iliac fossa, the ischial tuberosity and spine. The femur, we have the femoral head, the greater trochanter, lesser trochanter, the medial epicondyle, the lateral epicondyle, the adductor tubercle, which is on this side, the patella, we have on the tibia, we have the medial and the lateral condyles, the tibial tuberosity. Then we have the medial malleolus, and then the tibiofibular joints, proximal and distal. And the fibula, which is on the outside, there's the fibula head, and then at the distal and the lateral malleolus. Into the foot, articulating, oh, and I'm sorry, back on the wrist, the radius articulates with the scaphoid, lunate, and the tricretrum. And on the thumb, the pollex, it articulates with the trapezium to make that joint. Back down to the foot, you have the talus, and that articulates with the tibia. At the heel, you have the calcaneus, and then on the you have the navicular. The cuboid, and then you have the medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and the lateral cuneiform. The metatarsus, or the metatarsals, the phalanges, and the hallux is the great toe.